Hello folks, this is Gorilla Wayne. This video is about trailer brakes. I push down on the brakes and let the brakes go, and my trailer brakes are stuck. They won't release. I could be going down the highway, hit the brakes, and they stick. They won't release. What a lot of people don't know is when you push that trailer brake, the air comes down through that blue air line, comes down to the tandems. When you release, the air comes all the way back up through that blue air line. Okay? There's a quick release valve connected to a tractor protection valve on this blue air line. That's where your air exhausts all the way up here. So what is happening is, if you have plastic airlines, see this truck got rubber airlines. If you have plastic airlines, you jackknife that truck, you stretch your airlines out. Okay. You're gonna stretch them all out. Okay. Somewhere. Jack them up somewhere. Okay, you going down the highway, you push on your brakes. That air come down through this blue air line. When it comes back up, it might not come back up because it's kinked. And you don't have enough pressure to unkink it. So the brakes will stay locked. They will unlock really slow. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of shops don't know that. So, if your trailer brakes are locking up, simply replace, check your airlines going to your trailer, specifically the blue one. If you got the plastic ones, it's probably kinked up. I learned that at school. A lot of shops don't know that. Like I think anything else put on YouTube, I will. Like and subscribe.